All right, now we're going to be looking at rectangle bottoms and tops. This is very similar to the flags. Okay, so they're just like a rectangle. We got the both support and resistance bounds. Okay, flats. And this one's our continuation patterns. But what happens here is that rectangle bottoms and tops usually take longer to develop. And you're going to see big consolidation area. Okay, it's going to last for a while. This is a daily chart, by the way. It's going to last for a little while. You're going to see the other one on a weekly chart as well. So how do we trade this? Now, we see that we have our down trend coming in right here. And then it stopped. And then right at stop, we got to get 2 points at least to get a trend line. So you could also say this would be a double bottom formation right here. So we got 1, 2 points. Now this became a strong support level here because every time you got there or close to the area, it just bounced up after that. Okay. The same here at the top. Let me delete this. Okay. So the same at the top. You got a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4 actually touches here, and this one actually tried to break up from that resistance level, but it was just a fake breakout and just came all the way back down. It was just a little wick, so it wasn't very important. Now we can see that we have a range coming in. So after the second touch, you can look for trades to on the third and on the fourth touch to actually go and see if the trend is going down. We'll look for short setups here. Okay. Even it's possible that you can look for, after the second touch, look for the third touch and go long here and then wait to sell it at the resistance again. But the problem here with that is that you could probably do it after the third touch. But the fourth touch, you don't know if it's going to break down because since it's a continuation pattern, we can actually just go after that. So I will be careful with going long here because it's coming from a downtrend before. So I will focus more on the short setups here, or sell setups. And then we'll have our stop loss above the trend line as well. Okay? And you can look for the target prices measuring the length of the box. Okay? I mean the height of the box. You'll see right here, from the top to the bottom. And then we'll look at the break, which was right there. So it broke down here. And this will be our take profit area. See how it touched right there and then it bounced back up? Now, and it actually went right back in to this box. Okay, but then it just came all the way back down again. So you just want to make sure, you want to be careful with that. And that's why you wanted to have that profit, that take profit target. So you could actually take that. Otherwise, it might as well actually break and go back in the box. But most of the times it doesn't go. It will actually retest it and then keep going down. Okay. But since you're taking the shorts closer to the resistance, you're going to be protected actually. Okay. Because you're going to be right here and you have all of this potential profit right down there. Okay. Some people actually will buy the breakouts. It depends on what kind of strategy you want to do, but I would say the safest way to do it is to actually short right here on the resistance level. Now, let's look at it the other way. Let's look at the bullish side. So we go to the NSP. We're going to go on a weekly chart right here. Got it down for you. There you go. Okay. So right here is the same way. See how this develops during a long period of time. Okay, instead of a regular bull flag or a bear flag, That will be just a small consolidation period to continue a trend. This one will usually take longer, so that's why you have more opportunities here as well to trade. So see here that we actually got a nice little pump. Okay, and then right after that, it just started consolidating within these two lines right here. Okay, the support and resistance levels. Okay, actually put it like that. And so here we're going to look for actually long setups. Since we already had a little pump come before, we're expecting this to continue the uptrend. So we're actually looking for buy setups. Like right here would be good buy setups. Okay, everything that comes down to that line. Then right after that, see what happens after the 1, 2, 3 touches. Sprung up. We broke through this consolidation period right after that. And what we want to see is we want to measure the height of this box, or this range, this trading range. Once again, right there, that will be a take profit point. We're actually it overperformed very well, this one. But as always, you want to take profits while they're there. Okay, you can scale into the profits. And you can also buy the breakout if you like. But the safest way to do it is to actually look for long setups. Once again, since this is an uptrend, look for long setups on support levels. And you can have your stop loss right under the support level. Right around here. Okay? We're going to look for those 3 touches. Usually on the 4th touch it'll break up, or the 3rd it'll break up. And as you can see, we rallied all the way up. Okay, all this. Very nice rally. Okay, so just keep in mind, this rectangles bottoms and tops are usually continuation patterns. Okay? And make sure that you go with the trend, because the trend is always your friend. It's the best and safest way to do it. So during an uptrend, buy the supports. During a downtrend, sell the resistance.